Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Wrinkles on the chest and neck area are very common the older a person gets because the skin loses its elasticity. Although we can't totally eliminate them, it's possible to reduce the effects of old age on the body. Thankfully, there are many homemade remedies and natural alternatives capable of treating wrinkles. However, before learning any recipe, it's important to know how to prevent stains and wrinkles. For example, try to avoid excessive exposure to the sun. Our skin is quite delicate, especially around the neck. Good nutrition is also necessary. You should have a diet rich in fruits and vegetables and avoid greasy foods, as well as those filled with sugar and artificial preservatives. Toxins present in these foods are detrimental to both our health and the appearance of our bodies. It's also important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and natural fruit juices. In today's video, we've got 3 very special recipes to help minimize the appearance of wrinkles on the chest and neck area. 1. Egg, cucumber, and coconut oil mask. Apply this mask once a week. In a short time of using this mask, you should be able to see a wonderful transformation. This is due to the various nutrients of the egg yolk and the incredible antioxidant power of cucumber and coconut oil. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Instructions: slice and peel a small cucumber and then mix it well in the blender. Add the egg yolk and a teaspoon of coconut oil to the cucumber and blend all 3 until a creamy paste is formed. Apply it to your chest and let it sit for half an hour. Rinse the mixture off with plenty of cold water and massage the area with ice to increase circulation. 2. Yogurt, brewer's yeast, and wheat germ mask. This is a really powerful recipe that's able to increase the production of collagen in the neck, moisturize the skin, and reduce wrinkles. Here's how simple it is. Ingredients: 200 grams of plain unsweetened yogurt, 1 tablespoon of brewer's yeast, 1 tablespoon of wheat germ. Instructions: mix all of the ingredients well and apply the mask to the neck. After that, let it sit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, rinse it off with cold water. Repeat the procedure 3 times a week. 3. Banana and rosehip mask. This mask also increases the production of collagen and elasticity in addition to regenerating the skin tissue. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of rose water, 1 tablespoon of rosehip oil, 1 ripe banana. Instructions: mix the ingredients and apply the mask to the neck, letting sit for 20 minutes. After that, rinse it off with warm water. Apply the mask 3 times a week. These 2 recipes can also be used to renew the skin around your breasts as well. Important: before starting any treatment, apply a small amount to the skin and see if any allergic reactions occur. If you don't have any reactions, you can safely apply the treatment. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.